Cracked drywall mud on walls or ceilings can totally ruin the look of your space, but fixing it is way easier than you might think. Alright, so first thing, grab a putty knife and scrape off all that cracked and damaged drywall mud. Don't be shy about getting it all off, because if you leave any loose bits, the new mud won't stick right. After that, wipe the area down with a damp cloth to get rid of dust and crumbs. Next, mix up some drywall joint compound. It's usually ready to use, but if you need to thin it, just add a bit of water. Apply a thin, even layer over the spot using your putty knife, feathering the edges so it blends nicely with the wall or ceiling. Let it dry completely. This can take a few hours depending on the product and room conditions. Once dry, grab some fine grit sandpaper and gently sand the patch until it's smooth and flush with the surface around it. If you see any imperfections, just repeat the mud and sand steps until it looks perfect. Finally, wipe off the dust and get ready to prime and paint so no one will ever know there was a crack. One of the biggest mistakes when dealing with cracked drywall mud is not removing all the loose or damaged mud before reapplying. This leads to peeling and cracking again, so make sure you scrape thoroughly. Another common issue is applying the joint compound too thickly at once. Thick layers take forever to dry and tend to crack, so always apply thin coats and build up if needed. Lastly, skipping the sanding step or doing it too roughly can leave your patch looking uneven or rough. Take your time with fine grit sandpaper for that smooth finish. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making your repair job way less stressful. Plus, if you are a contractor, it's a great spot to find new clients who really need your skills for projects like drywall repair and more.